Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, family. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Um, Today, we're going to be talking about credit consulting and what it is, what the process is like, and basically what you should expect when you're going through a credit consultation. Um, and how that process specifically works. So credit consulting is the process of analyzing your credit report to and determining the further steps necessary to obtain your credit goals. So what this means is, we're going to look over your credit report. We're going to see, what could be improved upon. Rather that is your credit mix, rather you have too many consumer accounts, rather you don't have enough accounts from banks or credit unions, rather you have too many derogatory marks or too many inquiries or whatever it is. And we're going to determine what process you need to go through at that point. We're going to determine whether you need to, go through credit repair, or if you need, credit rehabilitation, whatever it is that fits your profile and is going to allow you to maximize your potential and, move from there. And basically, the point of, a credit consultation is for you to be able to get better in tune with your credit, get a better understanding of your credit and your profile and what is going on, and that will allow you to really know where you are in your credit journey, because you may think that you're a lot worse off than you are. There may be a very bright light at the end of that tunnel, that you're just not seeing because you don't have the experience in the industry to know, the ins and outs and those little tricks to allow you to take advantage of this particular system. But like with anything that we talk about, of course, we're going to talk about the pros and the cons. So, the pros, you're going to learn your report. You're going to learn how your FICO score is broken down. You're going to learn where you're losing points, where you're missing points, how to get those points back. What you're able to do to potentially maximize your report, maximize your score, and actually be able to really understand the inner workings of your report. And this is when you're going to get your questions answered. This is what's really going to allow you to get a perfect, clear understanding of your report. The next thing is, this is when you're going to create that plan to reach your credit goal. So if you want to get this credit to build a house, or you want this credit to, get an auto loan, or if you want, credit because you want to invest, you want to start a business, maybe you just want some credit cards for a safety net, for a rainy day, whatever it is. It could be a home improvement loan, HELOC, whatever it is that you're trying to obtain. This is when we're going to create that plan to really reach that goal. And it may take more than one consultation to really create that plan and have a full understanding. So that's one of those things that you definitely want to think about is this is that point where you're creating that plan and what's going to work for you. Now, of course, getting into the cons. This next one you may take as a pro, you may take as a con. But this is your reality check. This is that moment where you're going to find out, how long approximately it's going to take you to rebuild your score, how long it's going to take you to get those approvals that you want. You know, more importantly, a lot of credit is money management. You know, this may be that reality check that you have to cut out some mocha frappes out of your budget, or maybe instead of Starbucks, start drinking, you know, coffee that you make at the house, or whatever it is, wherever you have to start cutting corners to clear that money up in your budget to you know make that freedom that you want, that financial freedom, and being able to build from there. So you know, this is your real reality check. It could be, you know, for the greater good. It could also be something that you don't take so well. So you know, that's why I listed it as a con. But again, it can go either way. The only other con with a credit consultation is if you fail to take action. You know, if you take the time out to go through a consultation and you know, learn about your report and create this plan, and you never act on this plan, then you're never going to get anywhere with your credit. So that's another thing that I want you guys to think about and just take into consideration. Um, with that being said, again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.